Mastering time. Spot the adverbs of time. Hello, English learners. In today's session, we're going to sharpen our skills in identifying adverbs of time in sentences. Adverbs of time are fascinating words that tell us when something happens, and they play an essential role in shaping our understanding of events. So, buckle up and let's get started. Adverbs of time give us information about when something happens. They can describe events happening now, in the past, or in the future. Some common examples include soon, yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, later, and tonight. Let's take a look at them in sentences. I will meet you soon. She arrived yesterday. He is studying now. See how these words tell us about the time of the event. That's what adverbs of time do. Unlike some other types of adverbs, adverbs of time can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of sentences. There isn't a strict rule, and the position often depends on what the speaker wants to emphasize. Here are a few examples. Yesterday, I went to the gym. Beginning, I sometimes visit my grandmother. Middle, we'll go shopping tomorrow. End. Now, let's put our knowledge to the test and practice identifying adverbs of time in sentences. I will read out a sentence, and you try to spot the adverb of time. 1. I will finish the project later. 2. They are leaving tomorrow. 3. Today is my birthday. 4. He rarely watches movies. 5. She plays tennis every Sunday. Did you spot them all? Great job! And that's a wrap on our journey with adverbs of time today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep working on identifying these useful words in your reading and conversations. Knowing how to spot and use adverbs of time will significantly improve your English comprehension and expression skills. See you in the next lesson. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistency. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve. Happy learning!